Today is the 21st of March and the spring solstice, Naurose Day. On the first day of Naurose, a special food called Naurose ishi is prepared. The ingredients needed for the Naurose ishi are contributed from each household in the community, and everyone in the community eats the Naurose meal together. It is typically prepared in a large cauldron with wheat, corn, barley, rice, chickpeas, green peas, and soybeans. 7 different grains, as well as mutton, turnips, radishes, carrots, garlic, and onion. In Kucha, this meal is specially prepared with the head and legs of the lamb and several local greens. Everything is pre-cooked separately ahead of time and thrown together in the big pot for the final cooking. I come from a large family myself, and my mother always cooked a lot of one-pot meals in huge kettles. So there was much about this Naurose meal that felt very familiar.
Naurose ishi, hazır. Eat what to do? Eat what to miss?
Because I'm not used to eating the head and legs of a lamb in America, initially I felt a little uneasy. However, Naurose ishi's taste, heartiness, and significance are beyond description. The various grains used in the dish express the Uyghurs' hope for the coming harvest and the abundant life it brings. It seemed to me a rich symbol of their hope for the future. We generally celebrate past and present events. Naurose is a celebration of the future. This is a celebration of hope. After finishing the Naurose ishi, polo is served.
No, I am a teacher. It's really easy.
Okay. Men sizlik för bakar.
And again. And then you take it out.
Is there more? Okay.
Yes.
And after the meal, the party began. I wondered with surprise at how this Uyghur lady, wearing extremely high heels, could dance on an uneven floor and keep a china set perfectly balanced on her head. I was amazed by her graceful and elegant dancing. Afterwards, I had the exciting opportunity to see the Naurose activities celebrated in a local middle school. Like many schools in Xinjiang, this school too served the Naurose ishi today. The ingredients for their Naurose meal were brought by the students themselves. They also let us taste some of their Naurose ishi. I bet that the process of making the Naurose meal and the activities that followed were probably more interesting for the children than the meal itself. The passing on of our cultural heritage through special school activities is a valuable tool that imparts unforgettable memories to our children.